not part of the video, but just look at Baby Patrick. Do you got Roblox on your phone? No, I don't think that yellowhead does. What's up, everybody? It's me, the Gaming Pickle, back with another video. And today we are going to be playing my custom map. Ta-da! So, oh wait, my door's open. Give me a second. Oh, better. Yes, I am in my own room. Whatever. Let's play. What is the only one I could do? A bot. There's none other. It says sub to the Gaming Pickle? Huh. Yeah, I guess you guys should really do that. Sub to the Gaming Pickle, apparently. Don't know who added that. Definitely wasn't me. Oh, I thought there was berries. I do something new every way. I just wrote mouse. You got one shot. Okay? No. Nothing didn't happen. The soldier didn't tickle me. Hands up, boy. What are you looking at? I want to test out this new ability. I can't even see myself. I have a key. Everybody can see me. Oh, where'd I go? Now I won't get showed. Oh yeah, guys. I might have already showed you this before, but just to tell you, I moved the fire in front of that door because you do this first. You don't do that. You do this. This contains the dynamite. The second dynamite. Okay? For your brains to know if you ever play my map. This map's called Bunker. I'm gonna add cutscenes soon. I have no idea what I do these days. Oh yeah, at the beginning of the map, there's a maze. And at one corner of the map, there is a special traitor knife that if someone gets saved could become a traitor and be on the pig's team, but not really be on the pig's team. Oh yeah, the pig cannot get past any of the obstacles. Well, up to those crates, because the pig's two blocks wide. Tall, just like Minecraft. We are 1 block. So we are pretty much a chicken, and Piggy's trying to hunt down the chicken. That's how Mini Toon thought of the game. He played Minecraft, he saw a chicken, he was like, what if we were the chicken? He made the pig's the player, and we're the chicken. Yeah, that's totally how Mini Toon thought of this game. Totally not lying. Mini Toon thinks we are the chicken. So, Union, we are the chicken. We are the chicken. I don't know what union means. I think it means something about like we don't want to do this. We want to do our own thing. Oh yeah, this map is whenever I'm in build mode, any map I'm in, if I'm not building, it's open. Just realized something. I spent like so many days working on this yellow skyscraper. And guess what? You don't even need to go to the top. All you need to do is go down to a secret staircase. What has my life came to? And if you guys like my map, comment down below. I think it's pretty good, but that's me saying. You guys could think it's completely horrible, and if you do, orange key card, you run around, and run into a brick. Everybody is very slick. I keep banging my head because I'm dead in the head. Cause my name's Fred. Open the door, pretty princess. I could have just had you get the blue key card, but no, I made you go through all these rooms. It's supposed to be hard because the pig could corner you. Alright, here's the hardest one and the favorite. Blue is my favorite color. That's why I have the blue key card as the final. It's gonna have originally blue be one of the second or third. Yeah. Wow, I built this entire castle and filled it to the brim with soldiers. Just for one key and trader knives. Oh, the soldiers. Good thing we have these NPCs. I unlocked the door now. All I have to do is get the hammer. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Hopefully grandmother doesn't come and screw things up because that will not be fun. Bang, bang, I win! Take that, grandma! Take that, potato, plum, whatever you are. Take that, plum. I mean, pig. Wait, what? What's happening? I'll do that. And that's it for this video, 8 minutes long. Make sure you grab your phone, you open it up, you go to YouTube, you hit the search button, search up the gaming control. Just searched it, let it load, scroll down and find the one with 70 videos and 14 subscribers. That's me. You click on it and you see me with a Batman logo on my face, very young version of me, and you watch my videos, and then after that you click on a video, and then hang on, I can prove. You're gonna hear this. Hang on. So you hear me? So, wanna know what you do? You hit the subscribe button, and you hit the bell for notifications and thumbs up. I want you to break a record. Alright guys, listen to the record. Now, the record of most views is 158 views is my most viewed video. Hang on, let me get on it. And it's 3 likes. I bet you guys, I bet you guys could break that record on this video. This was a year ago. And I've made a video like 2 years ago and it only has 1 view. So I think we could break a 158 view goal. My goal for views is 159. My like goal is 5. And my subscribe goal, 15. Alright, good luck guys, and remember, behold the pickle! Hopefully this humor is funny, because it's not funny how I'm gonna clean this up. Spread my notes. Spread one over there. Dizzy, your face looks ugly. One on your face. Ha ha ha. Take that, pony. I never even liked ponies. Bye-bye.